Ready? Cut. Right shoulder, arms. Present, arms.
Oh, say, can you...
No words any of us could say, no monument we could ever build, will ever fill the hole left by the loss of the 7 men inscribed on this monument. These men were not just police officers, they were fathers and sons, husbands and brothers, friends and neighbors. But thanks to their sacrifice, our communities are better, safer places to live for all of our citizens. That is why this memorial service to those fallen heroes is so important.
Mentally and emotionally, it's a 24-hour-a-day occupation, one that you just can't leave at the office. The professionals in law enforcement always know that the public expects for them to intentionally place themselves in harm's way. Our job is to protect the innocent, preserve the peace, and take the bad guys off the street. That's what we get paid for, so that the citizens and families of this community have a chance to live their dreams. Most, however, if not all, freely take on that sacrificial responsibility not for the pay or the power of the badge, but for the reasons within them that all too many cannot understand. It's really a simple reason. They care. When this ceremony is over and the day draws to a close, we always need to remember those who are running into the buildings when everyone else is running out. Today, we especially need to remember those officers and their families whose spirits watch over us all. Thank you.
It was my responsibility as a circuit court judge to preside over the trial of the man who murdered Frank Fabiano. At every hearing, every step of the proceedings, I saw Amy Fabiano, Frank's wife, watching justice unfold in the courtroom. Never once breaking down, but obviously being in distress. It was not until the end of the proceedings when it became my responsibility to impose sentence, and without hesitation, a life sentence without parole was imposed, that Amy finally let her emotions take over. I'm sure every day she remembers that loss and lives with it, just like the other members of the legal community, the law enforcement community remember their losses. We should never forget those men we honor today and sacrifices that they've made, but we should also appreciate and acknowledge the sacrifices their families and loved ones have made to continue to make in the absence of that loved one.
Drew Bollier.